yesterday talking about. This is the book that I have written yesterday. I wanted to show this book to everyone. Teachers shine like stars. So, voice is not there. Am I not audible? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. So I will share the screen now, and Preeti ma'am, if you would like to give some instructions, I've told them not to take screenshots.
फोटो कहाँ से अपलोड होंगी?
हाँ जी
मैम
सर, you
कंटिन्यू करिए। मेरा
Okay.
लैपटॉप अभी नॉर्मलाइज हुआ, हैंग हो गया था, अभी ठंडा होकर के मैंने फिर से रीस्टार्ट वगैरह किया है। नाउ इट इज
अच्छा.
ओके।
So I'm just sharing this. Okay. Can you see? Is my screen visible?
नो मैम।
No, ma'am.
Screen is not visible. Just a minute. Ma'am, I think we'll. Okay, now I'm getting the option of share. Yes. Is it visible now?
Yes,
यस
ma'am.
मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम।
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you can see the questions. There is unit 1. This is unit 5. You have questions 1 to 6 on the
Ma'am,
screen.
the screen is not visible.
Screen is
Ma'am,
not
not
visible.
visible.
Not visible, ma'am.
It's visible, ma'am.
It's visible, ma'am.
But I can see.
Is it?
I can't see, ma'am.
I think some can see and some cannot see.
Now it is visible. Now it is visible, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So I'll just explain first. You see, this is unit 5. You have question number 1 to 6 here in the second column, all the questions in the third column. Then there are 4 options given. So you will choose the correct option. So when you are, wherever you are noting down, you please note down what is the correct option. So 1 to 6, and gradually I'll keep showing you the questions. Please note down your answers and then we will discuss the answers. All right. So get started. Everyone can start writing the answers. Let me know when you are done so that I can scroll down.
Done, ma'am.
Done. 1 to 6, everyone has
No,
done.
ma'am.
Shall we?
No,
Huh?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I think some.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Everyone done? You can just keep putting in the chat section if you are done. So I'll scroll down. We go to question till question 10.
Ma'am, not till now.
Hello?
हाँ ma'am.
Sir, you are saying something?
इसमें ठीक हो नहीं रहा।
हाँ,
इसे ठीक करना है ना ऑप्शन एक।
स्पीकर
मैम ठीक करना है ना ऑप्शन एक।
नहीं,
ऑप्शन,
टिक नहीं करना, you have to write in your copy.
you have to write the correct option in your notebook wherever you are writing, in your diary, notebook, writing pad.
ओके मैम।
Write the complete question or just write the answer, whatever. Like,
Done, ma'am.
done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll go to the next.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done.
Done. Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Has everyone completed till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Everyone has completed it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, finish.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you move further ahead? It's not so clear. Just scroll down. Thank you.
35, that's it. It's question number 35 is the last question.
Now, after going through these questions, I really had a doubt on the spelling of tomorrow.
So now it's clear.
No, it was clear, but it's so confusing.
It's still confusing. Tomorrow follows that rule that there are two short syllables and the rabbit rule. Morrow is the rabbit rule. If there are two short syllables, two short vowel sounds, then the letter in the center is doubled. Consonant. Okay, are we done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so shall we discuss the answers? Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So was it easy or was it difficult?
Easy, ma'am.
Easy.
Easy, ma'am.
Easy, na?
Easy, ma'am.
I had the confidence that you'll be able to do it easily, because these are some of the very basic things. So the first one, spelling, because it's on the computer, it's already telling you what is the correct spelling, but out
Yes,
of
ma'am.
these two, which is the correct one?
4.
Fourth one.
Fourth one.
Fourth
First.
one, because you
First.
need to know. First is stationary, stationed at the
Not
at
moving.
some place.
Oh,
Not
It's correct. First
NERY.
one.
It is
Yes.
NERY.
1.
Answer 4 is the correct option. Okay.
Okay,
So answer 4. Second, choose the correct option, which is
One.
this is
First.
one. This is
One.
syllables. Yes, division, and you've got it right. Quotation mark is used.
3.
Option 3.
Option.
3.
Both the options are correct. Absolutely. Then word division.
4.
Fourth.
Option 4.
4. All are correct.
Absolutely. Very good. We do not divide one syllable word. We do not divide proper nouns. It helps to bring clarity. It is used to link words together.
2. Hyphen.
2.
Hyphen.
Hyphen.
Absolutely. It is used to distinguish certain words from others within the text.
3. Both options are correct.
Options are
Both
correct.
options are correct. Absolutely. It is used at the end of all sentences. So, question mark. Division of R from the
Colon.
Colon.
colon. It's not
Colon.
semicolon or comma. It's
Yes.
colon. Colon T. The most common use in English for contraction of a
Question mark.
it is used to express punishment and a strong emotion.
Exclamation mark.
Exclamation mark.
Exclamation. Absolutely correct. Use separate particle in
Period.
Colon.
period. The other name for full stop is period. You maybe देखा होगा speaker मतलब you say something full stop. ये हमारी maybe means
3.
it is used omitting word, phrase, line from
1.
ellipsis.
Ellipsis.
The dash is
Ellipsis.
awesome.
either
Weather.
Which
And first.
One. First.
बताया था ना, जब डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट
ma'am.
स्पीच हो जाती है, रिपोर्टेड स्पीच, देन इट इज नॉट यूज्ड. सो क्वेश्चन मार्क इज
गाय वाय
यूज्ड.
भी अपनी है क्या?
हाँ,
गाय वगैरह आपल्याच आहे? गाय होते ना अंदर?
Ma'am, question mark, which answer is correct? The first one or the third one?
both the options are correct. रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में नहीं यूज होता है और इट इज यूज्ड व्हेन आस्किंग डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस. तो दोनों
Okay.
ऑप्शंस करेक्ट है. देयरफॉर ऑप्शन 3 इज द राइट ऑप्शन.
Okay.
Third answer is the correct answer. What a strong woman.
Exclamation mark.
Exclamation mark.
Exclamation mark is the correct answer. Semicolon.
Third.
Option 4.
Sorry, 4.
Option 4 is the correct option. 1 and 3 options are correct. It's a longer pause and it is used to separate sentences. जब हम कोई भी कंजंक्शन नहीं यूज करेंगे तो खाली सेमीकोलन से भी सेंटेंसेस सेपरेट हो जाते हैं.
Answer is third.
20. हाँ,
19th answer is third, is used to separate sentences.
so 1 and 3 it's a longer pause. माने कॉमा से कल हमने बात की थी ना, ब्रेक है, पॉज है, तो कॉमा is the shortest pause, semicolon is the longer pause, and full stop is the longest pause.
Longest.
So that is why option 1 and 3 are correct. Okay, then 20th.
4th.
The fourth.
All
All
3.
three options are same.
All three options are the same. Inverted commas, speech marks, and quotation marks. All three are the same. 21st, how shocking.
Exclamatory mark.
Exclamation mark.
Excellent.
How shocking. Exclamation mark.
Choose the correct option.
1.
First one is correct. Absolutely. क्योंकि coordinating conjunction है, coordinating conjunction से पहले there'll be a comma. Used for first letter in a sentence, names of persons, holidays, weeks.
First capital letters.
Capital letters.
Option 1 is the correct option. Choose the correct
Third.
option.
2.
Second.
Second one, ma'am.
New.
1 तो हो ही नहीं सकता. New has to be capital.
Second option.
Second
Second.
option is the correct. Second option, क्योंकि city को capital होने की जरूरत नहीं है. New York is the name of the city, so second option is the correct option. ठीक है? A ship's captain is an example of
1.
Possessive.
Possessive apostrophe.
possessive apostrophe. Absolutely correct. The punctuation mark for parenthesis is
First one.
first bracket.
First.
We can start a sentence with a numeral.
False.
False. False. We cannot start a sentence with a numeral. The meaning of modus operandi.
Method of operating.
Method of operating.
Method of operating. Second.
Which punctuation mark is used for compound numbers up to 99?
1 hyphen.
Hyphen.
Hyphen. Which spelling is correct?
Third one.
वो automatically दिखा ही रहा है. Which punctuation mark is used to introduce a list?
Comma. First.
No.
Colon.
Colon is used to introduce. Illustrate the following up question mark paper. Maybe you put the colon. Choose the correct option or options. Which one?
Second.
Second one.
Second one.
Second.
Ma'am, 4. Both are incorrect.
Both are correct.
Both are correct.
Both are correct.
Third one.
Both are correct. क्यों both are correct? क्योंकि I like to read, I like to write में 2 subject हैं, 2 verbs हैं, 2 independent clauses हैं, semicolon से join कर लिया, correct. I like to read and write में compound predicate है, तो इसमें comma की जरूरत नहीं है. So both the options are correct. Choose the correct option में 33 में.
2.
Second.
Second.
Which punctuation mark is used in 8 o'clock?
1
Apostrophe.
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 First one.
Yes. First letter in a quotation should be never capitalized.
3.
False.
False.
False. So with this we have. So how have you done? कैसा किया आप सबने?
Ma'am, 2 to
You
3
guided
wrong
us, ma'am.
answers.
34 out of 35.
2 to 3 ना, so बाकी तो आपके सारे correct हैं. So wonderful. So that means the basics you have understood, है ना? That is important. आपको जो हमने किया वो आपको कोई difficulty नहीं हुई handle करने. So any kinds of questions you will be able to do well. So I'm very sure of that. So any questions, any feedback, anything you would like to share from your side? We have 5-10 minutes for that. Or if you want any concept to be made more clear or anything. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, just a feedback.
हाँ जी, please.
Wonderful session, ma'am. Very informative.
थैंक यू सो मच. और मैम जो हिंदी में कर रहे थे, कल आपने बताया था कि आप हिंदी में कर रहे हैं थीसिस को. आपके लिए क्या ये सब चीजें डिफिकल्ट हुई या useful?
only the 6 question are wrong.
हाँ
35 में से 6 क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स गलत हुए, ओवरऑल बाकी सब सही था. वो भी कंफ्यूजिंग थे यस और नो में. तो मैं
हाँ.
वापस से रीड करूंगी तो डेफिनेटली आई विल क्रैक इट.
अरे वाह, दैट्स अमेजिंग अमेजिंग. सो आपकी चलिए हिंदी तो ऑलरेडी स्ट्रांग है और इंग्लिश पे भी आपका कंट्रोल और बढ़ गया. सो वंडरफुल. यस, एनीबॉडी वुड लाइक टू शेयर समथिंग?
स्कूल डेज याद आ गए मैम.
हाँ
स्कूल डेज याद आ गए बोला.
Yes.
इंग्लिश
एक्चुअली पुरानी यादें ताजा हो गई हैं, तो लग रहा था स्कूल में बैठे और सब
इंग्लिश
फिर से रिवाइज
इंग्लिश
हो रहा है.
क्लास इंग्लिश की मैम पढ़ा रहे हैं, इंग्लिश का क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हैं ऐसा लग रहा है.
interesting, ma'am. Yes, anything?
Can we get more practice questions?
Can we get? What is the
More
question?
practice questions?
More
number
practice
of practice- yes.
question. I think this is the biggest compliment. When
Madam, I
you are
have uploaded
ready.
worksheets. We have worksheets in our Moodle site. You go through those worksheets for your
Yes,
practice.
ma'am, I have seen that.
Yes.
Yes, so you will get everything and you can practice, and this is just the beginning. And अगर ये हमारे concepts पहले से ही clear हो जाएंगे तो फिर there is so much more to add on. So, हाँ
देखिए फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे अपन ने अपना 5th यूनिट कंप्लीट कर लिया है और मॉर्निंग में यूनिट नंबर 1 अपना खत्म हुआ. मतलब 2 यूनिट्स आप लोगों के हो चुके हैं, यूनिट 1 एंड यूनिट 5. सो यूनिट 5 से रिलेटेड आपको अगर कुछ और क्वेरीज होगी तो आप डिस्कस करिए, क्योंकि मैडम का आज का लास्ट सेशन है. मैडम का नंबर किसी को अगर लगता है आगे के इसके लिए, आई विल शेयर इन अवर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. सो मैडम हैव कंप्लीटेड यूनिट नंबर 5, दैट इज मैकेनिक्स ऑफ राइटिंग. तो इसी पैटर्न से क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. सो डोंट वरी, जो लोग हिंदी मराठी में कर रहे हैं रिसर्च, वो लोग भी टेंशन मत लीजिए. अब अगर ये क्वेश्चंस आप लोग अच्छे से कर लेते हैं तो इसी तरीके से जो क्वेश्चंस और थोड़े बहुत चेंजेस आ सकते हैं, बट वो भी आप लोग इजीली कर पाएंगे. सो थैंक यू सो मच मैडम. From all
Thank
participants and from HRDC Nagpur, I extend my thanks to respected Mrs. Divya Lakhera madam for all the 3 days sessions. And as always, it is a wonderful to have you among all of us. And बहुत अच्छे से आपने समझाया simple language में, though it is of English, but आपने उसको हिंदी में कन्वर्ट करके समझाया, वो सबसे बड़ी बात है. मतलब सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स को वो इजीली समझा भी. आई होप भी उनका रिजल्ट आने के बाद ही पता चलेगा क्या करते हैं ये लोग.
नहीं, अच्छा
ही
ही
करेंगे.
करेंगे.
यस, दिक्कत थोड़ी मैडम लैंग्वेज, जो अलग वाले लैंग्वेज वाले हैं ना, हिंदी और मराठी वाले, उनको थोड़ी दिक्कत जाती है हमेशा, बट देखते हैं हो जाएगा इसमें.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, सबको बहुत अच्छा होगा. एंड ऑल द गुड विशेस टू ईच वन ऑफ यू फॉर अ वंडरफुल थीसिस राइटिंग सेशन, और आपके एग्जाम्स के लिए भी, और आपकी बहुत सारी सक्सेस के लिए. एंड कीप डूइंग वेल, कीप शाइनिंग, बिकॉज teachers are amazing, professors and everyone who is here. So wishing every one of you a brilliant, bright future, and bye bye. Take
Bye,
care of
ma'am.
yourselves.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being interactive and being so wonderful. Thank you so much.